How to make DEGIRO account under 18. Follow these instructions. Ask a parent to open an account. Your parent or guardian must open a DEGIRO account in their name. Minors can't open one directly. Use their account to invest for you. They can invest on your behalf using their DEGIRO account with your money. Track investments together. Keep a record of what's invested for you, so it can be transferred later or monitored jointly. Learn while you wait. Use your time to study investing basics like stocks, ETFs, index funds, and risk management. Turn 18 and prepare your documents. When you reach 18, collect a valid passport or it and a SEPA zone bank account in your own name. Open your own DEGIRO account. Go to degiro.com, sign up, verify your identity, and connect your bank to activate your new account. Transfer or start fresh. Your parent can sell and transfer funds to your account, or you can start your own portfolio. Thank you for watching.